Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to enter the promo because some people in my team, they've just come to my inbox just now and they want to enter the promo. They want to take part in the Christmas promotion. So now, tomorrow is the last day and I know that most people would like to get their promo today to join estate, purchase their property and get the equivalent bonuses that they are offering. Some people are already in estate, they know how to do this, right? But for those that are brand new, that are joining today, and you want to know how to enter the promo, this video will show you exactly how to do that. But before I go and show you how to do that, I just want to make you aware of what is available here, okay, what they are offering, because tomorrow is the last day for this promo. So they said if you purchase a lake house worth of $250, you will get a bonus of 580k, which will give you the opportunity to win up to $1,000. If you purchase the Phoenix commercial property, that will give you up to 25 EST, which is equivalent to purchasing lake house. Okay, so it's like you are buying one and getting one free. Okay, and then the last one is the LA land plot. If you purchase this one, this will give you a bonus of 312 EST, which is like $3,120. But in today's video, I am going to show you how to get this bonus with just the lake house. So I'm going to use the first property they are offering here to do the demo for you, okay? So which is the one for $250. So this video will show you exactly how to do that. So once you have registered and you have completed your KYC, that's all you need to do. Register today. If you haven't, if you've already registered, that is fine. Registration is free. The link to do so is below this video description, right? Well, once you've done that, you go to your account, you click on deposit, right? Select deposit and then enter the amount of deposit you want to deposit. In this instance, I am going to use $250 to purchase that first promo property, okay, which is the lake house. This is just to demo how you are going to be able to enter this promo, right? So you can generate your deposit address on my right hand side here. If you just enter 250 here, or just enter 255 to be on the safe side, right? And then click confirm. The deposit address will pop up. Copy the deposit address, go to your exchange. You may have like a decentralized wallet or a centralized wallet. Centralized wallet are like Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, and all of that. Then decentralized wallet is like Trust Wallet, right? Tron Lake Wallet. All of that, Exodus, all of that are decentralized wallets. So you go to any wallet, send your 250 or 255. Once you send it, it will be right here on your balance. You can see your wallet balance. So once you are there, you click on buyer and then you click on real estate. Okay, once you are on real estate, you will see similar information like this. So you go to where it says profit calculator just to check how much you are going to get when you purchase this property. So you are going to be earning about $1.14 on a daily basis, right? So if I click buy property, that will now take me right into the purchase details form, right? So here you have the opportunity to enable auto capitalization, which is auto compounding. If you do this, you won't be able to deactivate the auto compounding button until after 18 months. But in this instance, I don't want to auto compound, so I'm not going to check the box. I'm just going to click pay now, and then right here we see the payment invoice, right? So on the payment invoice, it will display your name, your phone number, your email address, and all the details, right? So on my right hand side here, you will see where it says sign contract. Okay, so click sign contract, and then what you then need to do is just to sign your name there. Okay, so just use your pad to sign your name if you are using computer. If you are using a mobile phone, you can just use your keypad to do this. So I'm just going to sign, just scribble my name there, right? And I'm going to click sign. And then right here, you will see at the bottom is going to say pay with balance. So you just click pay with balance. And then boom, that's it. Success, your tokenized real estate has been purchased. That's it. It's that easy, right? So this is exactly how to purchase your real estate and how to get into the promo that they are doing right now, for you to check if they are actually keeping to their promise of crediting your account with the bonus. Okay, for this video demonstration, they are supposed to credit my account with 580k. So let's dash back to my estate account and see if the 580k has been deposited as they promised. Okay, this is the Christmas bonus that I am supposed to get for doing that demo. And then if you purchase the Phoenix commercial property, you will get the 25 EST bonus. When you purchase the LA land plot, you will get the 312 EST. So now let's check. Go back to your dashboard. It's easy. Before I started this video, my ETK was only 26. So now you see 526. So which means they have credited my account with 500 ETK. So they are doing what they said they are going to be doing. Bonus end because I purchased that property just now. So you can do the same. The lowest for all of this promo is just $250. Tomorrow is the last day, guys. Make sure you purchase at least the lowest one, which is the one I just used for this demo, right? So that you will get your 500 ETK. Okay, you can even go higher if you wish to do so, and if you can afford to do so, it's $10,270 and $51,310. You can do this, guys, right? And then set yourself up for 2026. Daily earnings in this platform, daily withdrawals in this platform. It is possible. Everything is legit, right? Your income is legit. The people are real people. The properties are real properties. So there is nothing that you have to worry about here when you join eEstate. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon in my team. If you would like to join my eEstate team, the link to do so is below this video description. For those of you that have already purchased your properties, congratulations and kudos to you, right? So see you soon and God bless.